In this video, we are going to learn how to insert a ruler in Microsoft Word. To insert the ruler, go to View. You will find an option Ruler and just click on over here and you will see a ruler has been inserted. If you don't see the vertical ruler bar over here, just go to File, go to Option, go to Advanced, and under the display option you will find Show Vertical Ruler in Print Layout View and click on OK, and you will see a vertical bar has been inserted. To adjust the ruler, you can change the margin easily. Just keep your mouse over here and it becomes a double arrow symbol and just slide it like this and you will see the margin is going to be changed. And for the left margin, just click your mouse over here, just slide it and you will see the margin has been changed. If you change it very preciously, just hold down the Ctrl key and you will see the measurement over here. And this is perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.